On the other clip, I showed how you saute your onions. I showed you how to make this beautiful Mediterranean style codfish that I'm making. And so I sauteed the onions and the bell pepper. Well, actually, this is an Italian pepper because they're wonderfully in season right now, which I'm excited, with a little bit of grapeseed oil. And then I added the tomato. So I had a yellow tomato, so I don't have an extra tomato to show you. But anyway, so I went ahead and I sauteed it and added some liquid. You can add some wine, like I said in the other clip. You can add some wine, salt and pepper, and then until it softens. And then you add the fish, the cut up pieces of codfish, and you add your seasonings, which I add a little bit of salt. Well, I add plenty of salt into this, so I didn't have to add any more salt. So into the background of the fish. You don't want to overpower the fish, because the fish is very flavorful, and you want to enhance the flavor. You want to accent the flavor with these other ingredients. So I added a little bit of pepper, and I love this 21 seasoning that I use, like I said in the other video, and then some smoked paprika. I need a new tag on that. Smoked paprika, just a little bit, just because it gives it a little smoky flavor, and a little bit of oregano. Oregano is very pungent, so you just use a little bit. And remember to put your sage. I got these beautiful pieces of sage, these leaves of sage from a friend that I used in there. And then if you want to add some basil, you can. These are basil leaves. And added a little bit more liquid. Oh, and then I added the ginger, and I added a little bit of lemon in there that gave that little acidity that was needed, and it gives you a nice, sweet, balanced, flavorful, seasoned, perfectly seasoned fish. So, okay, so there you have it. Okay, just click on the other video so you can kind of see what I was these are just some tidbits in making a nice, beautiful seafood meal. Okay, or a fish meal, seafood, fish. Okay,